In the last lesson, I showed you how to write your first program and also briefly talked about identifiers and variables. Let's take a closer look at the difference between identifiers and variables. So what is a variable? A variable is a reserved location in a computer memory to store values. We can store different data types such as integer, floating point numbers, and strings in a variable. If you do not understand these data types, don't worry about it. This will be covered in future lessons. All you have to know is that you can store different types of data in that memory location. Python automatically reserves the memory space for each variable. This is in contrast to some programming languages such as C. When a programmer wants to use a variable, it has to define and allocate a space for that variable before it can be used. So what is an identifier? An identifier is the name given to a variable or other entities such as functions, objects, and so on. I should emphasize again, variables and identifiers are not the same. The name of a variable is an identifier, but a variable has other properties such as value, type, scope, and so on. For example, you can think of a person as a variable. A person has a name, which is an identifier for that person. But that person also has other properties such as height, eye color, and other properties. In the next lesson, I will talk about the assignment statement and the meaning of equal sign in computer programming.